This is the second year running that we've had the immense pleasure to put on this boot camp for people such as yourselves. It worked brilliantly last year. We couldn't wait to get our hands on this this weekend. Grab this with both hands today.
The entrepreneurs offered us lots of good advice which helped us, and I think it can improve how we deliver pitches in the future, and it also gave us some other advice and things to look at with our business that we hadn't thought of really.
It was also enjoyable watching other people's pitches to kind of gain ideas about how they've pitched and where they are at with their business, and gave us ideas of what we should tackle in our industry as well.
I've met some of the best people, and together we've all moved through and developed our ideas which were so different. We've got people who are doing coach companies to me making a product, and it has gone from being an idea that we maybe haven't shared with too many people to being supported by everyone, because we are all in the same boat. We all know this is what we want to do.
My name's Shed Simove. I'm an entrepreneur, author and motivational speaker. I'm very careful about giving advice because I believe we should all make our own mistakes. I love this weekend. I think it's really important. I think this is a wonderful example of how government money is being spent in the right way, and we should champion it and we should be delighted about it.
The Bootcamp weekend is such a great opportunity for young entrepreneurs in Wales who've got an idea or who've got a business off the ground, and I think I found meeting other entrepreneurs who are going through similar things is the best way to learn and the best way to make friends, and I think being an entrepreneur can be a very lonely experience, so finding other people who are trying to do something similar to what you are is the best way of motivating yourself.
The levels of energy have just risen and risen all weekend. It's been absolutely fantastic.
It's been nuts. When they came in on Thursday, which seems an age ago, and the growth and change that we saw today, how great was just, they were on fire.
They were unbelievable.
It's been amazing. It's made me think so much about my current structure and where I need to go in the future. Just to believe in yourself and go for it, and never to be afraid of failure, really.
I feel like out of the weekend I've gained a real refined business plan, and I know where I want to go and I know how I'm going to get there, and that's been really important. The boardroom sessions which are lined up for after boot camp just made the whole experience really valuable, and I think that if things go wrong it's going to be great to go back and get that opportunity to talk to people and grind back in. And so right now I have a plan, I'm ready to execute it, and I feel really grateful that I got the opportunity to do this.
It's all about entrepreneurs giving their time, knowledge, expertise to bring through inspiration, to bring through the next generation of entrepreneurs. And last night, seeing the alumni come back, that's what it's achieving, the proof is in the pudding.
Absolutely is. And like you said, we've got to show up now. It's about the execution. So next year we'll be standing here again going, okay, what did we achieve? What did these guys achieve? It's going to be fantastic.
Brilliant. High five.
Great job, guys. Boom.